Installing new windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or upgrading to energy-efficient options, window installation in West Columbia can significantly enhance your home's comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal. However, if you've never gone through the process, you might be wondering what to expect. Understanding the window installation process from start to finish can help you feel more confident and prepared for this important home improvement. In this article, we'll guide you through each step of the window installation process in West Columbia, so you know exactly what to expect and how to make the most of your investment. Initial consultation and estimate. The window installation process begins with an initial consultation. This is when you meet with a professional window installer or contractor to discuss your needs, preferences, and budget. During this consultation, the installer will assess your home, take measurements of the windows you want to replace, and discuss various window options with you. They will help you choose the best window style, frame material, and glass type based on your home's needs. Window styles. You'll have options such as double hung, casement, sliding, or bay windows. Each style offers different benefits depending on your home's design and functionality needs. Materials. Window frames come in a variety of materials, including vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum, each with its own advantages in terms of durability, insulation, and maintenance. Energy efficiency. Many homeowners opt for energy-efficient windows that help reduce heating and cooling costs. These windows typically feature double pane or triple pane glass and may include low-E coatings to increase insulation. After discussing your needs and preferences, the contractor will provide you with a detailed estimate, outlining the cost of the windows, installation labor, and any additional charges for special features like energy-efficient glass or custom sizing. Order and preparation. Once you've approved the estimate and selected your windows, the next step is ordering your new windows. Custom windows may take a few weeks to be manufactured and delivered to the contractor. If you're replacing standard-sized windows, the process may be quicker. During this time, the installer will also prepare for the installation day by gathering the necessary tools, materials, and equipment. It's important to discuss the timeline with your contractor at this stage so that you know exactly when to expect your windows to arrive and when the installation will take place. Installation day. What to expect. On the day of installation, you can expect the following steps to take place. Pre-installation prep. The installation crew will arrive and begin by setting up the work area around your windows. They will likely cover the floors with protective materials to prevent damage to your home, especially if you have carpets or hardwood floors. Removing old windows. The installers will carefully remove your old windows. This step involves prying out the frames, removing any old weather stripping, and disconnecting any window hardware. If you're replacing old wooden windows, the crew may need to remove trim or siding around the window area. Window installation. Once the old window is removed, the installers will fit the new window into the prepared opening. They will make sure it is properly aligned and level before securing it in place. This step is crucial to ensuring that your new window performs optimally in terms of insulation, functionality, and security. Sealing and insulating. To prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, the installers will seal the edges of the window with foam insulation and caulking. Proper sealing ensures that your windows are airtight and weather-resistant, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Final adjustments. Once the window is in place, the installers will make any final adjustments, ensuring that it opens and closes smoothly and locks securely. They will also clean up any excess caulking or debris left behind during installation. Inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, the contractor will inspect the new windows to ensure they're working properly. This includes checking the operation of the windows, making sure they open, close, and lock smoothly, and confirming that there are no gaps around the edges. Once everything is in working order, the team will clean up the installation area, removing any debris from the old windows and leftover materials. They will dispose of the old windows properly, so you don't have to worry about it. Post-installation care and warranty. After the installation, it's important to take care of your new windows to ensure they last as long as possible. Many window companies offer warranties that cover manufacturing defects, so be sure to ask about the warranty terms during the consultation. You may also receive maintenance tips from the installer, such as how to clean the windows, how often to lubricate the moving parts, and what to do to prevent weather-related damage. Proper maintenance will keep your windows looking great and functioning efficiently for years to come. Enjoy your new windows. Once your window installation in West Columbia is complete, you can enjoy the many benefits of your new windows. Whether you've opted for energy-efficient models to reduce your utility bills, stylish designs to enhance your home's curb appeal, or modern materials for easy maintenance, you'll be able to enjoy improved comfort, security, and aesthetics in your home. Conclusion. The benefits of professional window installation in West Columbia. Installing new windows is a major investment that can greatly improve your home's comfort, appearance, and value. By understanding the process, from consultation and ordering to installation and maintenance, you can ensure that your window replacement project goes smoothly. Working with a professional window installation company in West Columbia ensures that your windows are installed correctly, with attention to detail and a focus on quality. If you're considering new windows for your home, reach out to a trusted local installer to begin the process. With the right windows and professional installation, your home will be more energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing for years to come.